The Sebo Automatic X is the most technically advanced vacuum cleaner in the world. It features an electronic controller that automatically adjusts up or down to the appropriate brush height to ensure optimum performance on both carpet and hard floor surfaces. Standard on all of Sebo's vacuums, our timing belt-driven brush with clutch protection automatically stops the vacuum if an obstacle gets stuck in the roller, allowing you to easily remove the object and continue vacuuming. With its 5.5-inch profile and flat-to-the-floor design, the Automatic X makes cleaning easy under furniture and hard-to-reach places. And with all of our upright vacuums, the integrated Quick Clean wand is easy to access and easy to use. The first step of Sebo's legendary 3-step microfiltration system starts with our multi-layered top fill bags. The easy-to-change bags collect the vast majority of the debris. They also ensure continuous strong suction because dirt enters from the top, deposits at the bottom, accumulates upward, and air exits out the sides. Step 2 is Sebo's S-Class electrostatic microfilter, which attracts and captures microdust particles from the airflow of the vacuum. Step 3 is the exhaust filter, which again cleans the air as it exits the vacuum motor. Buy a Sebo vacuum today, the world's best for healthy homes, where reliability is standard.